solve the following equation. This one has two sets of brackets. So the first thing we do when we use brackets is we use the distributive property. That 4 gets distributed to both things, the 2 gets distributed to both things. And we get 2 times x, 2x. 2 times the minus 1, negative 2. 4 times the x, 4x. And 4 times the plus 1, plus 4. Step 1, if you have brackets, is get rid of the brackets using the distributive property. Yes. Yes, this is on your test next week.
We're practicing reading today.
Next, look for like terms. I'm going to color code. Those are like terms. I'm going to circle them. These are like terms. I'm going to underline them. Are any of my like terms on the same side? No. So we need to do the opposite, and it really doesn't matter which side you put things on. Do you want your x's on the right side and your numbers on the left, or do you want your x's on the left side and your numbers on the right? It doesn't matter. So Nathan's going to pick one. Where do you want the x's? Do you want the x's on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So he chose to have the x's on the left. So this x, the 4x, is on the wrong side, right? What's the opposite of plus 4x?
Negative 4x.
Negative 4x. So I write above it minus 4x. I write above this one minus 4x. That tells me I have to do that, yes? And with the numbers then, you would move the numbers to the right. So we need to move this minus 2. What's the opposite
Plus
of
2.
plus 2? So above here, I'm going to say I'm going to add 2, and above this one, I'm going to add 2. Now, what do we get when we do that? What is 2x minus 4x?
You get negative 2x.
You get negative 2x. And the 2 and the minus 2, that would just go away because you did the opposite, right? So I can write the equal sign. The minus 4x and the 4x, that would go away because we did the opposite. And then 4 plus 2? 6. Now you got it down to a level 1 question. What's the opposite of multiplying by negative 2?
Just divide by positive.
We have to divide by the negative 2.
Oh, divide by negative.
And then this side just becomes x, and 6 divided by negative 2?
3.
Close.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So one thing that I noticed on some of your first worksheets, the easiest place to make a mistake is with positives and negatives. Sometimes we forget a negative. And we do a lot of work, so often in these kind of questions, when we get a final answer, we put a circle around it so we can see where that final answer is.
I don't think I have. I think I lost it.
You lost your whole note packet?
I don't. I literally, like, it would have been, like, right in the top right here, and I kind of don't like that.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh my.
And this is all work I'm doing for you.
This is the weekend you're gonna organize this, right?
Thank you.
Question?
No.
Oh, wait, no,
ajá,
I do
igual.
have this.
Okay.
Entonces los números que están ahí que son compatibles se suman.
Sí.
Como el 4 y el 6 y se vuelve 6 y como el 2 del primero se divide entre 2.
Okay. Next one.
Iniciar.
Oh, one more question.
Y el 6 dividido en 12 es menos 3 porque el 2 es negativo.
Sí. Okay. Next one. Sorry, this one I had a little typo in here. This is an X. Oh, look at that. Is it an X on yours? Did I fix it on
No,
yours?
P.
So you have to change it. If it's P on yours, change it.
Sí.
Change it to an X. Change the P to an X. And we have brackets, so we draw the arrows to distribute. And 3 times x will be 3x. What is 3 times a negative 2? Plus. Sometimes you go, let's figure out the sign first. Is it going to be a plus sign or a minus sign? When you do 3 times a negative 2. Plus. Minus positive times a negative. And then what's 3 times 2? 6 equals negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times 4, the sign first, it will be negative. 3 times 4, 12. Step 1. If you have brackets, distribute to get rid of the brackets. That changes it to a level 4 question. Do we have like terms? Those are like terms. Oh, I don't want to, because you probably are only using your pencil. So I circle some, underline the other ones. I like to use colors because then it's really obvious which are my like terms. But I didn't want to circle both of them in case you're using.
Stop moving your head around. I'm Brownie. It's like Brownie's problem. Wait.
So, where do you want the x's? Left side or right side?
Left side.
Left side? Okay. I kind of like, don't you kind of like the x's to go on the left? I kind of like that. But it really wouldn't matter. You could choose either way. So if we're going to move the x's to the left side, we need to move this one, right?
Negative 3.
And what's the opposite of subtracting 3x?
Plus 3.
Plus 3x. So I write plus 3x here, plus 3x there. And you notice how I kind of write what I'm going to do sort of above my same like term, makes it my life a little bit easier to see afterwards. So that means this 6 minus 6, we have to move to the right hand side. Opposite of subtracting 6?
Adding.
Add 6 here, add 6 there.
So it was
So what do we got? This 3x and 3x, that'll give me 6x. Minus 6 and plus 6 would go away, so I can write my equal sign. The 3x and the minus 3x, that would go away because it's zeros. And minus 12 plus 6?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Good job. Now you changed it to a level 1 question. One step to go. Sounds tricky.
I need divided by 6.
Bro, we didn't even
Because
get
we go down
any
there.
maths.
And we're in the middle of notes, it's a very bad time.
There's a reason that you're recording on PF.
So, next. Opposite of multiplying by 6, divide both sides by 6. Circle that final answer.
Hostia, ¿por qué 6 y no 3?
Ok, 3 más 3. Es 6.
Yo pensé que era negativo.
No.
For my revenge is
Okay, one more to do together.
it proved that the first is
This one has W's. Same thing. We have brackets. So first thing you draw is those arrows that you're going to distribute. Get rid of the brackets. 5 times 2w, 10w. 5 times the negative 1, negative 5. 3 times the 3w, and 3 times the negative 2.
This one's actually something.
This one's actually kind of easy. Let's look, these are my like terms, right? And these are like terms. Sounds like we like the variables on the left. So that means I have to move this 9w over.
negative.
Negative 9w. That means I'm going to have to move this minus 5, underlined in blue, to the right. What's the opposite of subtracting 5? Adding 5. Okay, let's see what we got. 10w minus 9w.
W.
1w, but you know you could write the 1 out in front, but you don't need to, right? Sometimes we talk about putting those math goggles on. You see there's a 1 there, but you don't need to write it. 5 and the minus 5 would go away. Now I can just write that equal sign. 9w and negative 9w, that would have gone away. And I have negative 6 plus 5.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Do we have to do any more steps?
No.
No! Wow! Super nice on this one. Okay, there's 3 for you to try on your own. Answers.
You found it.
Check how you did.
There's a worksheet over.
Keep rolling.
See that?
First step, then there's the second step, then there's the
I have
third.
the same answer, yo.
Pick that up.
Oh yeah, that's what I got.
You can check how you did.
Hey, whoa, whoa.
For those of you that like to work ahead,
Yeah.
for those of you that like to work ahead, here's worksheet 5.
Just for Mark.
It won't be for Mark
I
stuff.
won't be working ahead.
You can work on it on the weekend. Bring this on Monday.
Wait, Tyson.
It's okay.
Are you yelling for me? Don't worry.
Thank you.
Tell me Mr. Disney. Mr. Disney. I should say it was
Well,
like
I
just